So mate, first thing I noticed about this place here, it looks nothing like a granny flat, huh?
Yeah, it's just like a small home.
Yeah.
That's the idea of it and the way that we try and design them. With this one, obviously it's got the beautiful wraparound bullnose veranda on it. So while we have a set range of designs, we work with every different customer and suit it to their needs and wants, and that was definitely what we did with this one.
Tell you what mate, first thing I noticed, 3 metre ceilings. Being my size, first thing I noticed in a house.
Yes, this customer wanted 3 metre ceilings. A lot of granny flats, they can be 2.7s, but it makes a huge difference in the size and feel of the space. It's got a Hamptons kitchen, 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. To have 2 bathrooms in a granny flat is not typical, but yeah, this customer really wanted it, and it's really useful as a situation for guests staying or Airbnbs. So yeah, we added that in.
And that fixtures and finishings, they all look sublime.
People get to a point where they don't want to compromise on finishes or the space that they have. So the windows and everything's just been done to suit sort of that heritage style of building, to tie in with the bullnose on the outside and everything like that, and to suit this Hunter Valley region type area. So yeah.
Mate, honestly, you've sold me. This is super. How do I go about the next steps?
Yeah, just reach out and contact our team and they'll have a chat to you about the displays that are available at the time, and you can come down and see and feel it for yourself.